everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. Right, this is a video on why you should buy a fifth wheel from a dealer. A, because you buy with confidence we actually own it to sell it to you, and B, we can help you out, instructing you, showing you how it all works. Other dealers, there are other dealers that sell them as well, they do the same as us. We don't let you there, mate, here's the keys, off you go. Well, this happened to this guy. He bought a nice truck thinking all's great, all fitted up for a fifth wheel. Then he went and bought a fifth wheel from a private individual. But this is what happens. So anyway, he's bought it, I'll show you. Well, the first scenario, what he did, he came and bought this sidewinder hitch. You see this sidewinder hitch? That wasn't fitted. This one here was fitted on there, which is the standard hitch. And obviously it's too short. So he fitted that himself. So if you can see, this is flared out. So you get down there, Steve, see that's all flared out? What's happened is, he's fitted it too high. So what's happened, when this turns round, it's all rode up on here. So there's terrific bang crash. And when me and Colin went and picked it up from Lidl car park, crash bang, we picked it up on our F250 and thought, what the hell is that? It's all going to fall off. Then we came out and had an inspection and seen that that's been fitted wrong. So we've got that fitted wrong, and we've got the hitch fitted wrong. Now this could have been a big problem, because what happened, he got into Lidl car park, knocked the back window out, so he had a cab strike obviously, and smashed the back of his Pride and Joy, his brand new truck. Now this is what happens, or can happen, when you go and buy one private. It's as simple as that. Right, so I've just run it back just to show you roughly. It's high obviously, but that shows you where the pin goes. If you drop the tailgate when you hook up, it should be about here, because you can't turn, you can't open the back locker if there's a problem. It's too close. And what's happened, if you see the clearance here between there, see there, and you can see where he's caught it. Well, not being funny, you can see that hasn't got to come round far, and the cab will strike that. Right, here's a dodge that has been done. You can see the centre of the wheels, and then pretty much that's where it's got to be fitted, not back here. So if you fit it there, there's plenty of room, you won't get any cab strikes, and that's the perfect place to have it fitted. So we're going to readjust that. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos. We try and help out. If you buy from a dealer, you get warranties, backup. All the dealers in the UK do the same thing. We try to look after our customers as best we can. So we try to get you done. We've actually, if you look over there, we've got a customer at the moment staying in a Puma, and this is what we do. He's buying the truck from us, buying the fifth wheel from us. They're staying in it for a couple of days, 2-3 days. They're getting used to the rig. They'll have full instruction on how to hook it up, drive, use the whole thing. So this is why you buy from us. And if you're in the market for a fifth wheel, give me a call, come down and see us. Thanks for watching. All right, that's it.